Hi, in this video, I'll show you exactly how AI fits into your dropshipping in 2026. So first of all, what does AI dropshipping actually means? AI dropshipping simply means AI tools to assist you with product research, store setup, ad creative, customer support, and data analysis. AI does not run a dropshipping business for you, and AI will not guarantee you profits, and AI also is not a passive income for you. So at least you'll need to go and open any browser that you have. Let's example, Brave I have here. And you can go to any of your stores. You can go and create a store, like a Shopify store or any other store that you may have. So there are a lot of tools that you can use. As an example, Shopify is good, especially it's beginner friendly. It has a lot of easy things to do. So you can start by using that. And then you can use AI to help you improve your drop shipping business. It's not the opposite. You cannot just go to AI and, just create me an AI business. And I'm just going to go here and chill all day, laying down and doing nothing, and they will do everything for me. That's not how it's going to work. So, as I said, AI will help you with many things. And the business model will be sell normal dropshipping. You will have to find products, you'll have to market it, you'll have to find the supplier that ship it, and you'll have to handle branding and ads yourself. AI is a tool, it's not a business. So you can start by doing, as example, a product research with AI. What works and what doesn't. Product research is where most people fail. What AI will help you with is basically analyzing products, trends, reading reviews and finding pain points, and also generating product ideas from niche. So the first thing that I would advise you with, if you're going to rely on AI a lot, make sure to get an AI plan with whatever AI tool you want. There are a lot of AI tools that you can use, but just make sure to get a plan because getting AI premium is much better than the cheap or the free AI. It is a lot of difference. I've tried them both, and the free, yeah, you can use it, but if you're trying to rely on it on business, it's better to get an AI premium plan, whatever AI you're using. So AI, of course, will not tell you if a product will definitely sell, and it will not replace the testing with real ads. So you can use AI to shortlist products and use ads to validate products. Let's say, example, I'm just going to use ChatGPT without even like logging in. It's better to log as well to keep like the logs of your chat. And you can say, hey, I want, as example, I want to start, so like drop shipping business. So business, can you help me, as example, can you help me with products research? So and just hit the enter button. As you can see, they'll just help you with that. So they will even ask you questions to tell you, oh, what you're targeting, this, that, and etc. All you need to do, just ask the questions or answer the questions, and they will help you. Other things that AI can help you with, an example, specifically if you have a store. If you don't have a store, as I said, just go and create a store. There are a lot of ways to create stores. As you can see, the best way for me, as I said, is Shopify. It might be a little bit painful if you don't have a budget. So if you're looking for free options, there are some free options, but they will not give you like some good store, but it's totally up to you. So as I said, other things that can AI help you with is basically building a store. Now with Shopify, you can also, as an example, build your store using AI. They implemented here like some AI, and you can tell them, oh, do me that, or can you teach me how to do that? Can you do me that, and etc. So AI is helpful, but it will not replace your work. It will just tell you what to do or try to help you on some stuff as well. So now, once, as an example, you found the items that you want using AI, you created your store, what's next? Basically, it will be the ads and creatives. Basically, here where AI will help you the most. So AI can help you with writing ad hooks, with generating some UGC style scripts, with creating multiple ad variations very fast, and also it will help you analyze which angles works. So just let me tell you a reality check. AI ads still needs human judgment, and AI does not understand real emotions perfectly. I am sure of that. I've tried AI since it was published. And let me tell you that it still doesn't understand emotions and it will not be the best at creating it. But still, this is where it will help you the best because it will analyze data much fast. You can just give it all the data that you get from your tested ads and you can give it to AI and it will analyze it. Back then, you will have to either learn how to analyze it yourself or you can give it to a specialist that can analyze it and can tell you an example what to do. But AI can help you with that. So AI can also generate ideas. You will have to select, edit, and improve those ideas, and then you can test with some real ad spend. So the last thing AI that can help you with is basically customer support and automations. AI is great for customer support assistance. You can add some auto reply to common questions, summarize tickets, draft responses, but make sure to do not fully automate refunds or complaints using AI. You'll have to manually or humanly check that. And angry customers needs human handling, not AI. AI will just make them more furious. AI saves time, but it does not replace responsibility. So, as an example here, in Shopify, as I said, you can use any other app. There are a lot of apps that can handle customer support for you using AI and using a lot of other stuff. So basically, that's the most of the things that you want to know. And let's just talk numbers, example, and timelines. So let's just say some realistic expectations. The first to 2 months, if it's first time starting, for example, if you're just starting out, it will be just testing and losing small amounts of money. You'll not be able to gain anything, unless you got lucky, of course. And after that, from month 3, and after that, possible traction might happen, as example, if you learn. And then profits will depend on the product, ads, and execution. Most failures happens because people trust AI blindly or do not test properly or quit too early. They're not consistent. And if they see they're losing some money, they just quit. Because AI will not remove the risk for you. And of course, some of the AI or the biggest AI dropshipping mistakes is basically copy the AI generated stores without editing, or use the same AI ads as everyone else, or believe, as an example, the one-click AI store tool, or skip the learning ads. If everyone uses the same AI output, you will lose your edge over the other people. So AI dropshipping in 2026 will work if you use it to help you find ideas and do a lot of other stuff, but it will not do the work for you. So that's basically will be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.